Dante Certification Program Level 3. Before Dante came to the scene, connecting legacy digital audio systems were not a walk in the park. If you've been in the audio industry for a while, the chances are you probably have set up a system like this. In this case, we have digital audio and control running from the stage box to a mixing console, meter bridge off the mixing console giving us level monitoring, and audio running from the mixing console to an audio interface connected to a computer. This is all kept in sync with the external word clock and separate unique cables for each function. While having one cable for each function might help us keep track of what everything is doing, it's certainly not most economical or the tidiest solution. But for a Dante network, all we do is this. All functions from the previous example are now on fewer and less expensive cables. When you compare the wiring of the two systems we just looked at, you can see the advantage of using Dante, where we only need 4 Cat5e cables to connect the system together. Now that we're familiar with the cabling benefits of Dante, let's see how these cabling examples correlate to a discussion on IP networking. We're all used to having our laptops running email, browsing multiple web pages at once, streaming music, watching Netflix, all at the same time. Running lots of different applications at the same time on one platform is the norm in today's world. In this case, the platform happens to be a computer. But that's exactly what we're doing on a Dante network. We're running lots of different functions all at once on one platform.